Hey everybody, we're going in. Just, it seems like a normal day, but wow.
Oh my god.
Oh my! What happened? I feel like the trees are gonna fall.
No.
And it's super hot on the floor. I wanna kick it. Oh, I broke it! Wait, no way. There's so much dust, look! Hold one! That's a hold one! I have to put all my pressure. Yes, I am. Dang it, I fell. Excuse me, Papa. Do you think we'll make it? Do you think this thing will make it? Like this thing will fly away? No? Okay. Wait, I'm gonna go out. I'm gonna go over here. Oh, that's really pretty. It looks bright, but it's not. Trees has fallen. And sorry about that, but trees have fallen. Look at that. We're having a thunderstorm. It's gonna happen in a while. What did you bring? Paper airplane! I'm gonna go make one.
There's paper right there on the table.
Okay, I'll be right back, guys. Okay, I'm back. I got my paper airplane. Wanna have a fight? Wait, which way is it going? This way or that way?
It's going this way, but like
Okay.
wait until the wind goes faster.
I know.
Yeah, the clouds are getting closer.
Just look at the tree and you'll find out.
Let's do it. Ready? Set, go.
Woo!
Did you see mine?
Yeah. Oh, down! Ah! Yeah! Oh, I missed it!
Go, go. Okay, should I? No puedo estar ahí.
It's going this way. No! No! Yeah, my grandpa scared me. He scared me. I thought the tree was falling because I heard a little rumble.
Okay, you can't pass. You see the mop? You can't pass from there.
Then let's go right here. It's going this way.
It's going that way.
No, look. Look. Just throw it. Throw it.
Don't get it. No, don't get it.
Ah. This is not a perfect time. I'm putting mine.
Now it seems like a perfect time.
Now?
Okay, let me throw this.
I'm protecting it. Man, it's so dusty though. It's so dusty.
Let me get it real quick.
Quick, quick, quick! Quick!
I got it.
Put it over there where I put it. Just put the shoe over it and it won't fly away. You want us to hold on to it?
No, he's holding on to it because he doesn't want it to fly away.
Like last time?
Yeah.
It just completely flew away. And it cost way too much money. Wait, Papa, I know how we can play paper airplanes. How do you make paper airplane do?
No.
No, we can play like this. We can go like this.
Oh yeah, you have to do your homework.
I'll do it in a little bit. Look at it. This time it's going this way. You can tell because if it's going, it would go back. But if it's going this way.
Tírenlo para arriba, arriba del norte.
¿Así?
Ya.
He said to throw it away. Right?
Tírenlo.
Espérate.
Go, go.
¡Ah, yeah!
Va borracho ese piloto.
Oh, I got it in my eye. Wait, guys. Okay, I'm back. Ah!
Where's your airplane?
It's right there.
Saque la bolsa y ver para arriba que trae basura.
Huh?
Y él lo le hace así en el calle.
Oh, don't. He said don't look up. Want me to throw yours?
No, no, no.
Throw
No.
it there.
No, I want to keep it. Go
That's
make another one. Sorry, guys.
Close it.
Wait. Well, this is the end. Bye.